Ava eating oatmeal. You eating some oatmeal? It's your dinner? Yeah. It's your dinner. Ready? Ava, look. Ava. Open your mouth. Ah. Ah. Oh. You like eating your oatmeal? Okay. You want one more? One more? You want to do it yourself? You want to do it? What are you doing? Okay, we gotta get more on your spoon.